Tim, go. Shelby, go. Gene, go. And Tyler, go. All right.
Shelby Arnett. And first lap clocked off. Steven was a 32.4. Donnie 35. Tim Monday 36. Waiting on the net rest. Shelby 43. Tyler 39. And Gina 47.7.
Slow down a little bit in the corner field. Need to turn.
Oh, Donnie over into the pipe. All right, and your leader, Steven, followed by Donnie, Tim, Shelby, and Tyler. Donnie right now is 3.7 seconds behind. Your leader is going down the front straightaway right now. Going into one, up over the tabletop, lands on tabletop, comes down. Your second place is Donnie Glover. He's in the orange and yellow, or white 99 truck, coming across the ripples right now. Your third place is Tim Monday, who is driving the 17 white truck. He's got white rims. He's coming over the double right now. On a turn into the step up. Shelby Arnett running fourth. He is in the Traction Slash, coming over the ripples right now. And Tyler's in fifth, is driving the other SC10 number 17. His body's up a little bit higher. He's going over the double single, coming down the front straightaway. And Gene just passed Tyler for fifth. Gene's in a yellow and black SC10. And here comes your leader down the front straightaway. Goes into one, shows everybody how it's done. Hey, he's running a Truth body with, what kind of tires you running there, Steven? What's that? Yeah, he's running some calibers. And from what it looks like, they look like to be the setup right now in the CORR class. Double single and down the front straightaway again with a 31.1. A little bit slower with his Slash than his two-wheel drive truck. Two-wheel drive, he was in the 30s. Donnie Glover, 12 seconds behind Steven now. He should gain some laps. Steven had a little trouble. And your leader's coming up on you, Tyler. Oh, Tim Monday up and over, puts it on his lid. And 1 minute to go. 1 minute, drivers, 1 minute remaining. And there goes Donnie around Shelby. Oh, slicing and dicing. Oh, Donnie. Hard in the Gene. And here comes Steven over the loop. 31.6. Next up, 1 scale. First round. First round of 8 scales. You are up next. We're going to need Donnie Glover, Garrett Brown, Stanley Arnett, Pete Peterson, and Mike Farmer. You guys are up next in the buggies. Bring them up. We have 10 seconds remaining in this race. Bring them up, drivers.
Race is over.
It's okay, you get 10 minutes in between the races. And keep going, drivers. Keep going until I tell you you are done. Behind you. Keep going until I tell you you're done. And Donnie Glover, you are done. Gene, you are done. Shelby, you are done. Tyler, you are done. Tim, waiting on Steven again. Seems like we're always waiting on him. And Stephen, you are done. And your race winner, 10 laps, Steve McKelb in 5.0.